Hey, what's up my friends, welcome back. This will be a special video. I have my desktop here. As you can see, I'm showing you that a month ago I've announced a giveaway, and in order to enter that giveaway you had to post a project on electronoobs.io. So you have to make an account and also post a project. So we have a few users that posted a project on electronoobs.io. As you can see, I went and selected all the projects that were posted, and in order to select a random user that posted a project, I've made an Arduino code. This is the code. Let me just scroll it down so you can pause the video so you can see how it works. Anyway, I will explain it a little bit very fast. As you can see, each user has a number. For example, if I enter this user, as you can see, this is user 1580. So all I've done, I've selected all the users that posted a project during this month for the giveaway and placed those in a vector here in the Arduino code. And then I'm making a random seed for the random number. That means that the random seed is taken from the analog input of the Arduino. So in that way, this is a real random number, not any kind of a random, because if you use just random with the Arduino, it will give you almost the same number anytime. So with this, we have a random seed for the random. And then as you can see in the code, I'm printing all the winners a lot of times for 400 times, and then I'm printing a random winner. I'm selecting, as you can see, the winner is equal to random from 1 to the maximum amount of winners, and then I'm printing from all the players the winner. So all I have to do now is to run the serial monitor, and let's see who is the winner. Then I will place that number into the profile on electronoobs.io and see the winner. So then I will translate this video into Spanish, and that will be the same video for the Spanish channel, because this was made for both channels. So let's just run the serial monitor, and as you can see, we have 39 players. So let's see who won. Now I'm printing random winners, and then we'll see the final one. Let's see. Okay, so the winner is the user 1369. Congratulations. I'll send an email to you, and you will have to give me your address so I can send you the soldering station. Let's just copy this user and go to the profile. Let's delete profile 1. Place this profile. So this doesn't have a name, is noob 1369, but as you can see, he posted a project. So this will be the winner. I will send an email to this account, and you will receive the soldering station. Now I will translate the same video, and I will record another one with the video that I'm recorded for the Spanish channel. Congratulations and good luck to the next giveaway. I will make a lot more this year, and thank you very much for your support. Keep up, you guys.